wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best cookbooks. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. If you love stargazing and all aspects of outdoor living, then the Campout Cookbook by Marnie Hainel and Jen Stevenson is ideal for you. With its wide selection of delectable ideas, you can step up both your barbecues and your excursions into the wild. It comes with a packing list of essentials and easy-to-follow instructions. However, it does require too much prep work at the campsite. At number 9, Practical Paleo by Diane Sanfilippo is filled with a wealth of helpful explanations and guidance for improving your overall well-being by focusing on nourishing whole foods and avoiding those that trigger adverse reactions. It includes ideas for getting kids involved and addresses common health concerns, but it may be too restrictive for omnivores. Coming in at number 8 on our list, The Electric Pressure Cooker by Barbara Sheeving lets a fast-paced household with little time on their hands put together tasty menus that are hearty enough to feed the whole crew quickly before they have to run out again. It's imaginative in variety and offers simple 30-minute meals. However, there are too many processed ingredients. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for cookbooks, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, chock full of ideas for plant-based creations, Love Real Food, written by Catherine Taylor, is a fine vegetarian resource. It features everything from sweet blueberry muffins to homemade pizzas that are both delicious and fresh. It teaches you how to eat well and includes pointers for cooking like a pro, but note that it proposes a lot of oil consumption. Moving up our list to number 6. You can take some of the stress out of preparing healthy meals for your family with the Laura Lee Balanced Cookbook. It places its focus on combinations of whole, fresh items that can be customized to suit even the most finicky of palates. This one has a southern influence and contains lots of menu ideas. The author is a certified holistic chef. Halfway up our list at number 5. Anna Vocino wrote Eat Happy, gluten-free, grain-free, low-carb recipes made from real foods for everyone who wants to enjoy eating without worrying about aggravating allergies, autoimmune disorders, and other health conditions. It uses no processed sugars and includes high-quality fish dishes, but it is a little heavy on the dairy. At number 4, Saliha Mahmood Ahmed's Khazana features recipes inspired by the cuisine of the Mughal Empire, which combined rich, flavorful bases like ghee and buttermilk with a litany of spices. Still, the results aren't too hot for most people. The writer won the MasterChef trophy, and it's great for lovers of Indian food. However, the ingredients can be pricey or scarce. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, Vegetable Kingdom by Brian Terry takes things you might usually think of as bland and transforms them with relative ease into gourmet vegan dishes without the use of processed meat substitutes. That includes tofu, fennel, carrots, and more. It introduces novel techniques, and you get 150 recipes in total. It celebrates culture and family too. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for cookbooks, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, as popular as the ketogenic diet is, it can be tough to get a lot of variety when you're in the thick of it, which is where Suzanne Ryan's Simply Keto can make a difference. It has advice for getting started down a low-carb path as well. It includes tips for grocery shopping and a structured meal plan. The author has an inspirational story. And taking the top spot on our list, with the step-by-step instructions from the Minimalist Baker's Everyday Cooking by Dana Schultz, you can expand your vegetarian and gluten-free baking repertoire to incorporate a wide range of decadent, delicious creations from your home kitchen. All the recipes require 10 ingredients or less, and the meals are ready quickly. The writing is easy to follow. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for cookbooks, or simply click beneath this video.